Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to open another amazing craft kit from Nerdecrafter and Muse Kits. So first off, I am at the tail end of recovering from a flu thing, so I may sound a little croaky. But I just couldn't wait any longer. I need to get this open, I need to see it all, and I need to have a play. So if you can excuse a bit of snuffling and croaking, we can get into this and find out what is in store. So I have just popped the end open so that I could check that it was what I expected. So, ta-da! Here we have the most gorgeous bubble mailer. It is like it's got a rainbow tone to it with all little Nerdecrafter themed artwork on it. It is absolutely stunning. And when the packaging's this good, you know the contents is going to be good. So first off, what have I ordered? So I opted for the full bundle, which gives us the physical items, which is what I've got here, and also a digital file of artwork. So I'll put some little thumbnails up so you can see what the digital pictures are like, but I believe they're the same as the physical pictures, but you get them digitally, so you can print more copies, you can do more pictures. Great. So for the full kit with the digital files included was $49.99 US for a value of over $75, and I think I paid about $10 shipping. I can't quite remember, but this is all coming from Muse Kits, who are partnered with Nerdecrafter for this endeavour. If you don't want the digital files, you can get the physical items only for $39.99, and you can have the digital downloads only, so none of the physical, just the digital, for $22.99. So there we go, just a quick overview, and then just to give you a bit of information about this collaboration, because it is a collaboration with not only Muse Kits and Nerdecrafter, but also a wonderful artist who has worked with Jackie Nerdecrafter to come up with the artwork. So that is Sara Rose. I will pop links to her Instagram and to Nerdecrafter's channel. All of that stuff will be on screen and also down in the description so that you can go and check it out. So let's get into this and see the Creatures of Darkness colouring kit. I really don't want to damage this, and oh yes, it is just able to be pulled open. Okay, so in our kit we should get, let me see. Oh yes. Okay, so my little box is a bit squished, but that's not a problem. Excuse me while I just go. Okay, so I can see that this little package has got a bit squished in transit, but that is okay. It's not the end of the world. What we want is inside this packet. So this is the Viviva Colours watercolour sheets. Yeah, so see, the actual item is here and it's fine. This is just our little box that it comes in. All super cute though. Nice artwork on it. and it shows us the colours on the back. So these are quick mess-free watercolours, and they are made in India. So we've got these. We'll have a look at everything individually once I've unpacked it all. We have got our Creatures of Darkness exclusive coloured pencils, which have got a built-in pencil sharpener on the end, and you can see they're this great black colour, which makes the colours of the leads really stand out. We have got washi tape, which is the same design as the packaging that we've seen. So we've got that lovely rainbow going through there. We have got water brush pen set. So anyone that's recently been to one of my lives, I was talking about these, so it's great to have more. I already have a few, but these are quite big compared to the ones that I've already got, so this is very nice. So yeah, we've got those, and then the piece de resistance. This is the Creatures of Darkness colouring pages kit, based on the sculptures of Nerdecrafter and illustrated by Sara Rose. So let's look at these. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm rushing a bit, but it's just because I just want to look at everything. So I know that they said this was coming as a folder, so these are non-bound sheets. Which is great because you don't have to worry about bleed going through, ruining other pages, anything like that. I think all of these are going to be upside down. Okay, so sorry, I've just covered up the QR code just because that is only available for people that have bought the kit. So we have got here these fabulous pictures. They are on really good. You can hear the quality of the paper stock. It's a very clear print. Here we've got Angel, which is Nerdecrafter's pet bird. Yeah, so many amazing pictures and something for everyone, but all centering around this idea of combining cuteness with darkness. So yeah, we've got some fab things, and anyone that's been following Nerdecrafter's channel for a while will probably find things that they recognize, or that they think, oh, I remember the video where she made that sculpture. Everything has a link back. There's lots of little Easter eggs in there. As a My Little Pony fan, as a Pegasister, I particularly like this one. I can't wait to work on it. Dessert theme. This is Ramsey's, which is based off of Nerdecrafter's cats. We've got more ponies. We've got Salty Crafter. These are so great. Splinter. So loads of really good quality prints, and these are A4 size. So brilliant. So what have we been given to colour these in with? So I'm going to start off by showing you the Viva colour sheets. So these are handmade, and these are, I'm just going to bring you down a bit, in fact, so that you can see a little bit closer. So these are handcrafted watercolours that are then sort of impregnated onto these sheets. And then we've got this little paper in between to stop them from mixing. Now, here is a good example of how they don't look necessarily the right colour. Shows us down the bottom the colours that we're getting. But as you add water to these, oh my goodness, look at these. So we've got peacock blue and Persian blue, and you can, oh my goodness, look at those. Gorgeous. So as you add water to these, you will see them turn into that kind of classic colours. The violet here, you would never guess that this was violet, but when you add water to it, it will indeed become a lovely purple colour. We've got autumn leaf, slate black, and then we've got silver and gold. So I cannot wait. And then here we've got a space where we can try out colours. So here it just says, I handcrafted this for you, and it was Ruksa who handcrafted mine. I am assuming that whoever made yours, if you get one, then it will say their name on as well. So these are amazing. We've already had a little look at the washi tape, but just to give you a slightly better look, so you can see the images. You got Splinter there, got dragons, ponies, we've got koi fish, and it repeats, and then so the pictures repeat and the rainbow colours repeat, but not together. So I think that's really nice. Yeah, and it looks like good quality washi. It is about 1 inch thick, so very nice indeed. Our colouring pencils come in this lovely tube, and they have all got the colours written on the end. So we can see we've got spring green, and these are regular colour pencils. They're not water-based. They're not watercolour pencils. But that's fine because we've got our watercolours already. So dark blue, orange, peach, pink, sienna brown, red, light blue, black and grass green. So how fabulous do all those colours look? Really great. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, cannot wait to have a go with them. So obviously our water brushes are going to go with the watercolours. So I think just because I am still a little bit croaky, I am going to leave this here for today, and I will do a separate video where I am working on these, and you'll be able to see all of the kit in use. You will be able to get a good look at everything, and I can then talk a little bit more about the quality. Certainly from what I can see so far, I have no issues at all. I would happily put my trust and my money behind Nerdecrafter. This is not a sponsored thing in the slightest, but I know how much she believes in quality merchandising and value for money. So I have no problem in supporting the things that she sells because I know how much she wants them to be good. So enough blathering on from me. I will make sure that there are plenty of links down below should you wish to go check this out yourself. I don't know how long this is going to be available for. I snapped it up as soon as it was released, and it was ready to ship, shipped within 2 days, and was with me super quick via FedEx. So yeah, this shipped on the 8th of May, so it literally shipped straight away, and the only reason that I haven't done the unboxing sooner is because I had no voice. So yes, huge much love to Nerdecrafter and to Sara Rose. I don't even know you, and yet I am super proud of what you've achieved here, and I can't wait to have a play with it all. Long may this continue. And so I'm going to leave this here, go get a drink, and I will share some updates and some product usage videos as soon as possible. If you want to make sure you don't miss that, please do remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe. Why not come over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and if you've got a couple of dollars to spare, you can find us on Patreon as well. So until next time, stay crafty.